Welcome to Berkeley School of Business. We are here for CFA orientation program. CFA stands for Chartered Financial Analyst. This is the degree for investment professionals. This is the highly specialized degree in the field of finance. Registering for CFA, most of the candidates, they call us and they want to check their eligibility for the program. So if you are a US bachelor or you are in the final year of your bachelor and you have 4 years of qualified professional work experience, you are eligible to enroll yourself in a CFA program. Who is doing CFA in the world? These statistics are gathered, is issued by a CFA institute, mostly CEOs, chief investment officers, equity analysts, fixed income analysts, investment bankers, portfolio managers, portfolio firm managers, even the sales and marketing professionals are opting for this course. So this course is highly practical course, and most of the bankers and finance professionals or portfolio managers, mainly they are considering themselves to enhance their career with the CFA. CFA course structure is very well placed and very well designed. It is divided in 3 parts, 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3. We are going to discuss today the detailed structure for the CFA level 1. CFA level 1 syllabus contains these broad topics starting with ethics and professional standards, then quantitative methods, economics is there also, financial statement analysis which is related to the accounting, corporate finance, analysis of equity investment, debt investments and derivatives, and analysis of alternative investment along with the portfolio management concepts. CFA exam format for level 1, this is 100% multiple choice question based, and students will be given 3 choices to choose the right one. CFA level 1, how we teach? This is the most common question we encounter from the students. We have divided the CFA level 1 program in 30 lectures. Starting our lecture, we will discuss in 2 lectures ethical and professional standards. Ethics are considered the essential part of the CFA course. Being a member of CFA, you have to maintain your integrity. So what is the definition of ethics for a member of CFA? This is very important to understand because you have to apply these standards while you are dealing with the clients and you are providing services. In first 2 lectures, we are going to discuss the ethics. Then we will come to the next portion of the quantitative methods and techniques. In this, we are going to discuss the most important concepts of time value of money, present value and future value. Then we will extend to perpetuity, annuity due. These some concepts will come inside. And then enhancing our discussion to mean, median, mode, standard deviations, leading to sampling, z-testing, t-testing. So some statistical concepts which are highly important to understand for applying any analysis in the practical world, we need to discuss in these lecture 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once we finish our quantitative portion, we will move towards the economics, which is broadly divided into 2 parts. One is microeconomics, one is macroeconomics. In microeconomics, we will study individuals, their pattern, competition and perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistics and types of the market. And in macro, we are going to discuss the overall external environment, including inflation, unemployment and all currency issues, hedging, and anything that is related to the economy as an external is surely the main consideration for an analyst when you look towards investments and you are going to manage the portfolios. So we devote lecture 7, 8 9, 10, 11 particularly for the economics. Once we finish the economics portion, we will shift towards the accounting portion. This is financial statement analysis. Now, I just want to mention here, the emphasis will not be for the learning of the accounting concepts. It's not related to debit and credit, how to make the financial statements. In fact, our work will start from how to analyze these financial statements made by a chartered accountant or an ACC. So in this, we are going to discuss different kind of ratios, how to see the strength of a company, how to measure the performance of a company, how we can say what is a good company or a bad company, what is liquidity, what is gearing, what is the ability to pay the short-term debts, or how to cover the long-term debts. This is all we will discuss in these lecture 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17. Then once we finish our accounting or financial portion, then we will shift towards corporate finance 1, and then it will lead to portfolio management. This is the age of the portfolios. Now investor is reacting very prudently because every business has its own risk and returns. So portfolio concept is highly practical and is very necessary for managing the group investments. Then in lecture 21, securities market, then we will enhance our discussion for equity investments, debt investments, and derivative investments, alternative investments. So if you see, 28 lectures are specifically kept for the CFAs, for the full coverage of the CFA course, and then we have some revision sessions also. Now our strategy is first to explain the students the required knowledge, and then we will start preparing for their mock examinations for individual topics and for the midterms and final terms. And before the student go in the final examination, we ensure that student is 100% ready for appearing and passing the exams. That's why our passing ratio is very high. Now, what is the exam duration? In fact, this is a long full day exam. You reach 8 o'clock. At 8:45 the door will be closed, and 9 o'clock your session will begin. It will finish at 12. Then you will be given a lunch break, and at 1 o'clock you will arrive back. 1:45 your door will close, and 2 to 5 is your final session, and 5 o'clock you will be free to go. What are the exam dates and locations? Because we are in Dubai and now in UAE, 2 centers are available at this point of time. It's in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and exam dates are in June and December. So twice a year a student of level 1 CFA has the options for level 1 and level to appear twice in a year. What is the fee structure? For knowing the fee structure of the CFA, you log into cfainstitute.org, CFA program /register/fee.html. You will get the updated information for the CFA exam fee, which you have to pay to the CFA Institute. How to join? It's very simple. You go on the same website and you go for the registration. This is the path which will guide you to reach on this website. Now in Berkeley, we have scholarships for full fee waivers, and we have discounted fees as well. If you feel that your potential, you want to study, you have all the ingredients to develop yourself as a finance expert, but somehow you don't have money and you don't have resources, so nothing to worry. Berkeley is here to support you. We have Sheikh Mahmood scholarship, that is 100% fee waiver, and we will give you free of cost if you meet our criterion and you can prove that you have insufficient resources to meet your CFA examination fee. Along with that, if your salary is fixed to is less enough to afford your education, still you can come to our admission office and discuss your conditions case to case basis. We have individual and funded scholarship to accommodate you for CFA program. And thank you very much for your patience, and I appreciate your inquiries at www.berkeleyme.com, or you can visit us in person. Thank you very much.